BarryTiger. Subscribe!
Oh no! Baby car is missing!
There's quite a lot of people at the amusement park.
Baby car, stay close to mommy and daddy. Don't get lost.
Oh, someone's crying. Oh no, baby car, why are you covered in bird poop? Where are your parents? Oh, I see, you're lost. It's okay, let's go to the repair station first. I'll help you find your mommy and daddy. There are many tiny bugs around baby car. We must get rid of them. Let's see what we have in the toolbox. Why are there more bugs now? We have to use another tool. Hooray! The bugs are gone. And now, let's go to the car wash. First, we'll wash with some washing liquid. Now, let's rinse off the bubbles with water. Baby car, you're doing a great job. Lastly, we'll use a blower to dry baby car. Huh? Baby car, what's wrong? Oh, you miss your mommy and daddy. Dear friends, let's help baby car find his mommy and daddy. Oh, there's a traffic jam. Baby car's parents should be around here somewhere. Where could they be? Oh, is that him?
Oh, baby car, where are you?
Hooray! We found him! But where is baby car's mommy? She's a pink-colored car with a purple straw hat. Oh, you said you saw her?
Oh, has anyone seen baby car?
This is great! We found her! Hooray! Check finished! Dear friends, it's all thanks to you!
Oh, we finally found you!
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry!
Stay close to your mommy and daddy next time. Don't get lost again.
The amusement park is still open. Let's go there quickly. Super Mechanic Barry, goodbye!
Goodbye! The uncontrollable food truck.
Hi, this is your super cheese pizza.
Smells great! Oh, thank you, food truck Yummy!
Enjoy it while it's hot. Next, please. Oh no, oh my gosh, what's happening?
Food truck Yummy, are you okay?
Oh, thanks. I think I'm fine. Ah!
Oh, I'm so unlucky.
Who turned off the light? I can't see anything, it's so dark!
Oh, hey guys, I think I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Huh? I think that's a sign that I'm hungry.
How Super Mechanic Barry.
Hello, Food Truck Yummy. Didn't you make everyone yummy food today?
I couldn't because something's wrong. I can't make any food. Do you think you can help me?
Of course. Dear friends, let's fix Food Truck Yummy together. First, we must give Food Truck Yummy a checkup. Huh? Oh no! The food truck's circuit board is broken. We need to solder the broken wires back together.
It's so hot!
Hang in there. We're almost done. Phew, we're all done. Now we need to attach the wires to the port of the same color. This wire is yellow. This wire is green. And this one is blue. Hooray! All wires are attached.
Wow! There's no more smoke!
Food Truck Yummy, can you please check and see if everything is working all right?
Sure. It's lunchtime. I am going to make a delicious hot dog sandwich. First, we will need a soft bun. Then, let's add some fresh vegetables. Next, we'll add a hot grilled sausage. Lastly, let's drizzle some sauce on top. A delicious hot dog is all ready. Wow! All's going well. I think I can make yummy food for everyone again.
The repair is done. Dear friends, thank you for helping out.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you. I have even more energy now.
That's really good to hear. Oh, by the way, I haven't had my lunch yet.
I'll take care of that.
Wow, a hot dog! Smells great.
See you, Super Mechanic Barry.
Goodbye! It tastes amazing.
What? Oh, it smells so bad. Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I wonder what will happen today. Oh? Hello, I'm Super Police Barry.
Super Police, help!
What? Oh my! I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police, to the rescue! Don't worry, I'm here. Super Police, I'm in big trouble. What happened? Stop hiding. I know you're right here. Come out quickly. Aha! Found you.
Do you think it's over just like this?
What? Oh! It smells so bad. Don't be sad. Super Police, can you help me get back? Of course. Leave it to me. Let's clean the police car together. Oh my, it's so stinky. Let's start by getting rid of the garbage on the police car. Phew, finally got rid of all the trash. Now we can start washing the car. It tickles. Don't worry, I'll help you rinse off the foam. Finally, let's dry it together. Wow, I'm so clean now. Now I can continue my mission.
Oh, my goodness! The police car is catching up! Run, run! Oh no!
Freeze! You are under arrest! Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, here comes the policeman. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, super-duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him. Freeze! Super-duper policeman!
I know I was wrong. Oh.
Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time.